want to be on and because there's a snake in this boat.
All right. So how can you have Woody say that to Buzz?
Okay.
Can you say something? Woody say, "There's a snake in my boot." Say that. You.
I put string out.
Right. Oh, okay. What they say? What did he say, Alex?
Cowboy, there's a snake in my boot.
What did he say? Alex, can you?
What's Buzz say?
What did Buzz say? What did he say?
What's his cowboy? And Buzz is his spaceman. What's best friend?
His space friend? Can Buzz talk?
He's not. And look at his ears. Space. It's just.
Oh, can his hat come off? Does his hat come off?
No. There's my soccer ball. There's my teddy bear. There's my stuff in my room. There's my toy.
What do you do? What do you do when you get up in the morning? Or what do you do when you come home from school?
Nothing to come with stuff.
What's that?
What's in here?
What is it?
The doctor's office.
Ron?
Like this. Look at this. Look at this.
Look at this.
It's pink.
All right, so they try it on. It's hard to find. Okay, now what? Now what do I do? Huh?
Can you open it up? Can you open it up, Papa Son? This. Oh, it's a medicine.
Oh, okay, what do you do with that?
Just put it in your mouth.
Okay.
See? You just
Show me how that works, Alex.
you put this in your mouth.
I don't know, how do you do that? How do you do that?
Just put it in your mouth and listen to it.
Show Woody what you do. Like if Woody was sick, what would you do?
Just
What about Buzz? What if Buzz was sick? Of course, Buzz wouldn't get sick, but can you listen to Buzz with this thing? Can you listen to him? How would you diagnose? I mean, figure out what's.
This is toys. Yeah.
Let's see, Alex. Can you turn? What do you got there?
This? What's the stick? What's the stick? What's the stick, Papa John? What's the stick?
The what? The stick?
The stick? The stick? The stick? Oh. This one, right?
Alex? What else you got over here? Hey, you got a favorite book?
Yeah, I got some books myself, and I got triangle. Whoops. Whoa, whoa. I just want to.
Hey, here's something you like, Alex. Look.
Look at that guy.
Alex, look over here. Look. Alex, look. Alex, look at this. Alex, look. What do you see?
Where's the icons?
Alex, look at the camera.
Oh.
See, you're there, right? You like that picture? Who is that?
Alex.
Brian? It's Alex, right?